Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, how are you
Hey,
today?
ma'am.
How are you
I'm
today?
very good, thank you.
Fine.
Before we start our class today, I think it is good for us to open with a prayer. So maybe one of you can lead us in a prayer.
Me, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Samsha. Yeah, time is yours.
The prayer begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Sham. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah,
You're
okay,
welcome, ma'am.
class. In your WhatsApp group, I already sent the link of absent today because today is not the first meeting of this material. Today is the third meeting. We will learn this same material with the last meeting. So I will ask you some question, but I will show my screen before. Are you ready to join the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Ready,
okay?
ma'am.
Of course, ma'am.
Ready,
Yes,
Yes, I'm
Okay,
ready,
ma'am.
yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Ready,
thank you.
ma'am.
Before we start, I want all of you to show your smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, very good. Much, yeah. Sarmila is the most beautiful student. Okay,
Ma'am, me too,
Okay.
ma'am.
let me share my screen so you can see my presentation to help you understand our material. Okay, class. Yeah. Today we still learning about narrative text. Yeah, we will learn about fable. Um, Kompetensi dasarnya karena kita sudah masuk ke keterampilan, jadi kita base competition-nya menangkap makna secara kontekstual ya dan seterusnya bisa diperhatikan. Kemudian tujuan pembelajaran yang harus kita capai pada pertemuan kita hari ini ya, itu ada dua. Yang pertama dengan menonton video yang sudah saya kirimkan linknya ke adik-anak lewat WhatsApp group ya. Anak-anak diharapkan mampu mengumpulkan informasi dengan cara mengidentifikasi dan lain sebagainya, informasi rinci yang ada dalam video. Kemudian yang kedua, anak-anak diharapkan mampu membuat ringkasan dan menceritakan kembali ya dalam bentuk video. Itu tujuan pembelajaran kita pada pertemuan hari ini ya. Are you ready, class?
Ready, ma'am.
Ready,
Yeah.
Are you ready to make your own story?
of course.
ready.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me try, ma'am.
Even if you have any problem, I hope you can gain the best result at the end of this class. Okay. Next, now pay attention to these pictures. These pictures on your screen are the picture below an example of narrative text. The first is the fox and the crow.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you think? What do you think, class? Anyone, please give your comment. Okay, Samsha, maybe.
This is about animal. Animal.
Yeah, animal. What is the meaning of fox? Fox. What is the meaning of fox?
Rubah,
Friend,
ma'am.
what is rubah?
Rubah. Yeah, good. And crow. What is the meaning of crow?
Gagak ya?
Bango.
Yeah.
Oh, banget. Gagak.
Gagak.
Gagak atau
Gagak. Yeah, okay. Yeah, very good. Okay, what about the second picture? Toba Lake Legend. Have you ever read the text about Toba Legend?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good. I think that when you were in elementary school, your teacher where tell you about Toba Lake. Okay, and what about the Little Prince? Have you ever listen or watch this story?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
that
If you not what's about this story, after this class, I can suggest you. I suggest you to watch this story. This story is very amazing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. I will ask you a question. Do you still remember the definition of narrative text? Anyone, please? We have already learned about the definition, the social function of narrative text.
Yes,
Me.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Cahya, please.
Yeah,
What do you
Cahya,
know
please.
about narrative? Cahya, please.
Narrative text is a story to entertain people.
Okay.
Story like fable or folktale legend.
Do you think narrative text is a real story?
Maybe not real.
Real? Do you think the narrative story is a real story? A fact,
Yeah, like legend,
maybe?
legend, like Toba, right? It's a
Some,
belief.
Yeah, it is
some of,
belief, but yeah,
some
Cahya,
of,
sorry, some list.
yeah, maybe some of we can believe based on the factual, factual empirics that like legend, there is the trait that we can see until now, but even we don't know this is true
True,
or
true or not?
not.
Like
Yes,
this. Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. So, yeah, give big applause. Yeah, very good, Cahya and Shamsya. Okay, very good. Yeah, as the answer from Cahya and Shamsya, yeah, that's very good. Narrative text is a text that tell the reader about the entertained story, yeah, fantasy, even it is true or not, yeah, but the people believe about the story, yeah. For example, about legend, ya, the legend of Danau Toba, ya. Terlepas benar atau tidaknya, tetapi ceritanya itu sudah menyebar di masyarakat. Okay, next. Now let's pay attention to the following explanation to review your
I want to ask you, Miss.
Okay, yes, please.
I know some of story like Cinderella,
Yeah.
Frozen, or Snow White. That's a part of what,
Yeah.
Miss? Is that a part of fairy tale
Narrative.
or a part folk tale? I confused how to make a difference, Miss.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. The nice question for Retno. Anyone student who wants to answer Retno's question? Ada yang mau menjawab pertanyaan dari Retno? Apa still confused ya? The difference between fairy tale and folk tale ya. Sama-sama ada tale, sama-sama ada tale-nya begitu. Ada yang bisa menjawab?
Tapi tanya bukan buntut ya, Miss.
No,
ekor
yeah,
ya.
of course not.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe.
Cahya, ma'am.
Cahya. What about the other student? No, I will give chance to the other student. Yeah, Dara maybe.
Ida, ma'am. Ida.
Yeah, Ida. Would you like to answer Reno's question? Cinderella and
Snow White.
what? Snow White ya, Cinderella dan Snow White
Frozen.
itu fairy tale atau
itu
folk tale?
Ma'am, I think Snow
Yeah.
White, Cinderella is fairy tale.
Yeah.
True or not?
Why fairy tale?
Fairy tale ya.
I don't know. I just choose it.
Yeah, fairy tale because The
Atau
story is
content
fantastic, yeah, fantastic. The
fantasy
place,
story
yeah,
ya.
the place of the story is like the another world, yeah, maybe.
Ya.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
agree? Yeah,
Yes, I agree.
folk tale is the story from our parents, yeah,
Gen
maybe, yeah.
generation to generation.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's a proof,
generation to
ma'am.
generation. Yeah, maybe cerita nenek moyang. For example, from my own place ya, dari ibu punya daerah. Contohnya cerita tentang gunung berapi. Ini Rie misalnya, like this ya. Seperti itu ya. Do you get the point, Retno?
Di bawang merah. Bawang putih bawang merah gitu.
Maybe ya, bawang putih dan bawang merah. Maybe like this. Okay, do you get point, Retno? So we can continue.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, okay. Next. Okay, next. Okay, I still remind you the generic structure of native text. Yeah, do you still remember that the generic structure of narrative text is orientation, complication, and resolution. Okay, I already give you brief explanation about this on our last meeting. Okay, and next, the language feature of narrative text. Yeah, the first, using past action verb. Yeah. Do you still remember what is the meaning of action verb?
Johan kan
Action
udah
verb?
izin di grup. Dia keluar.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, class.
Kemarin udah izin.
Yeah, maybe sorry, Sarmila. What is the meaning of past action verb?
Past action verb, that the verb that tell the action in the past. It is characteristic ed,
Yeah.
ma'am. Ending with ed.
Wow, very good. Okay, very good. My student is very good. Hebat-hebat semua. Yeah, thank you. For example, climb, turn, broke, ya, killed, and yang lainnya. Oke, yang kedua, the language feature of narrative text is using specific noun as pronoun of person, ya, like the lion, the ant, the queen, the prince, and etc. And the third is using time connection, ya. Say time connective ya, and conjunction ya, untuk menyusun kalimat per kalimat. Jadi dia membutuhkan keterangan waktu ya, like then, before, after, soon. I hope all of you still okay. Next, I will ask you a question. Have you watched the video posted in the WA group yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I hope all of you have watched the video that I already remind you by WhatsApp group. Yeah, okay. Martha, have you watched the video?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Have you watched the video that I post on our WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you think the story is interesting or not?
Of course, the story is very interesting, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, okay. According to the video that you have watched yesterday, I will ask you to do the next activity on your group. I have reminded you to write down difficult words. Yeah, I hope all of you done my message before, and then answer the question that provided in your LKPD according to the information from the video. It can be your guide for the next activity. Yeah, we will move to the next activity. How to write summary and how to tell the story according to the video that you have watched before. Okay. Yeah. Now it's your turn. Please join your own groups as the same with the last meeting. Yeah. You have 3 group. You can join your own group and please discuss information that you get from the video. Yeah. I give you 5 minutes. Right now, I give you 5 minutes. Okay. Are you finished? Have you
Yes,
finished?
ma'am.
Hello, class. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Don't go anywhere, yeah, class. You have to stay with me here. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Of course.
Okay, yeah. Okay, class. After you answer the question, yeah, answer the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is the title of the story?
Snow.
Yeah.
Snow White.
Sorry.
Snow
What?
White.
Snow White, ma'am.
Snow White, ma'am.
Apa yang bilang? Dia ke Surabaya.
Snow White? No, I remember that I gave you link, yeah, about the story. Then and the story is about this picture. This picture?
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm so sorry. I just see your slide in number 8 in my
Iya.
laptop.
Oke.
Oh, I
Yeah.
think we have a trouble with
Me too.
my screen.
Yeah,
Oh
me
my
too,
God.
me too.
So yeah. It's okay. But I think the task is in your LKPD. Then I will send the LKPD on your WhatsApp group. Yeah, you can see
Okay,
by
ma'am.
your
Okay.
WhatsApp group. Yeah. Okay. I think I am really sorry for this problem. Intinya di dalam LKPD itu I already provide ya the picture 1, 2, 3, and 4 ya yang help you to make the story ya, to make the story based on the picture ya. And the picture is related to the videos that you have watched before. And then after that, when you get your good summarize, then you have to try to tell the story again to the class, and you have to record it. Okay, class. After you make a summarize, yeah, on your LKPD. Now, please try to tell the story to the class. Yeah, you can record it. Yeah, because we have no much time. Yeah, the time is limit. I will give you time to record it after class, and then you have to send it on Google Classroom. I already provide the folder. Yeah, you can upload your record about your story. Next, do you understand? Anyone who wants to
Yes, ma'am.
ask question? Any question, please?
Um,
Okay, Shamsia, please.
Ma'am, about our task.
Yeah.
So we need to retell by our own
Yeah.
sentence, ma'am.
Yeah, right. But don't forget to perhatikan unsur-unsur dalam membuat teks naratif ya. Itu sudah Ibu jelaskan di materi sebelumnya, kemudian Ibu review lagi tadi sebelum masuk di materi inti kita ya. The verb, the action verb, the language feature, the generic structure ya. Don't worry. I already provide the picture. Yeah, the picture. You just make a story based on the picture. There are 4 pictures. Yeah. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What
Of course,
about
ma'am.
What about the other? Cahya, is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope all of you can make your own story and then you can retell to your class. Yeah, don't forget to record it. Okay, class. Now we will move to the closing section. Yeah, the last section of this class. You have to make a reflection. Yeah. Number 1, please write your experience of learning this material. Yeah, what about your feeling? What do you like and what you didn't like by our teaching learning process today? And you can send your answer to my private chat on WhatsApp. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Don't forget to make your reflection. And then after that, you have to do your formative test on your on Google Form. You just click this link and answer the question on formative test. Do homework so you can always remember about our material before we go to the next chapter on this semester. Okay, class. So before we close our class, I ask you one question. Maybe Sarmila, ya Sarmila, ya Sarmila. Sarmila, are
Yes, ma'am.
you? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Sarmila. Sarmila, can you give a statement about narrative text?
In my opinion, narrative text, the purpose of narrative text is to entertain the listener or the reader. And then I think narrative text is imaginative text. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think all of you have clear enough about this material because this is not the first time. Yeah, this is our third meeting. Okay, thank you for your participation, class. Okay, next week we will have our daily test. Are you ready, class? Yeah, on the next meeting on Thursday, we will.
Ready, Miss?
Yeah, we will do our daily test. Yeah, about this chapter about narrative text. Yeah, don't forget to open again your notebook, and then you have to study and learn about narrative text so you can do your daily test next week. Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
class.
ma'am.
Next is your homework. Yeah, next is your homework. Please do it yourself. Yeah, individual. Yeah, about Mr. Magic Man and so on. You can. I will send this homework on your WhatsApp group and your Google Classroom. Okay, I think that's all for today. I'm really sorry for unperfect this teaching and learning process because the internet connection, not quiet situation on this online teaching learning process. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. Yeah, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
See you,
ma'am.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.